Hi, I'm Ben Gromicko from Internachi, and this is a quick tip about certification logos and Webseals for your website. Go to nachi.org and log in, top right corner, My Dashboard. Scroll down to Logos and Seals, and there you'll find the certification logos, and there are many. There's Internachi logo, there's a CPI logo, which I like, there's the Move-In Certified logo, there's the Honor Guarantee logo, there's the Safe Workplace Inspector logo. So you can upload all of these logos onto your website. You can put them on your business card and flyers. If you want to put them all on your website, there's a way to do that. Click that green button there to personalize your web seals. And here again are all the web seals. Now, there's also HTML code that comes with these web seals. So you copy paste the HTML code into your website. And if that's too complicated, just talk to your website designer and they'll do it for you. Here's my website. Under the page My Qualifications, you'll see that I'm a certified professional inspector and I have all of these web seals embedded automatically onto my website, which was designed by FastSiteForYou.com. If you need a great website, Internachi's official vendor for home inspector website designs is FastSiteForYou, and Alicia Gromicko is the owner of FastSiteForYou, and she's a certified professional inspector. And FastSiteForYou has attained the Superior Service Seal because they serve only Internachi members. Now again, the quick tip is get your certification logos and your web seals from your dashboard, and you can embed them on your website just like I did, and you can get a great website at nachi.org/website, nachi.org/website. And that is your quick tip for your Internachi membership dashboard related to certification logos and web seals for your website.